Okay. Well, not really sure how long this has been. I've been off doing some other things, but you can see the dip here. See if I can focus it a little better. Not sure if you can tell from this angle. It's not really focusing. There we go. And so what I'm going to try to do is, while holding this camera, is you poke in. Don't go all the way down. You don't want to touch the top of your candle while you're doing this, because it'll leave a mark. You also don't want to go too close to the sides, and so you're going to poke a couple of relief holes, generally pretty close to the wick on both sides. Okay, and then with your hot wax, which should still be about 185, 190, we're going to pour in. Now there is two ways you can do that. You could have poured the wax first and then poked your holes. I go back through, and if you see the little air bubbles coming up while I do this, you just kind of see there's some coming up. There we go. I'm going to get that air out. Honestly, a lot of it probably released when I was pouring it in right away. But again, don't go too close to those sides. If you feel like you're cutting through wax on the sides, you're too close. Or maybe you've just been letting it sit for a while. That's that. And if it does start to have a big old depression again, I'll do another poke and re-pour. So I hope this helps. Thanks.